This is the Grinnell Glacier Trail, and it's absolutely breathtaking. If you don't know me, my name is Clint. I do outdoor adventures. I film it, show you guys so you know what to expect. Check out this video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Let's get right to it. This is the Grinnell Glacier Trail. Doing fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And I'm just checking reservations right now. Perfect. Ranger at the window will look at your park pass and ID for y'all.
Awesome. Thank you
so much, guys.
Got to have a permit to get in here. If you don't, they will turn you around, and there's a lot of people doing U-turns up here and having to leave. We have a boat tour, which acts as our permit to enter into Many Glacier. Morning.
Thank you. Good morning. How are you?
Doing fine. All right. Thank you so much. You too. Hiking the Grinnell Glacier Trail is an awesome experience in itself, but combining a boat tour and being able to start your trip from the Glacier Hotel really creates an experience that is just really hard to beat. I'd highly recommend giving yourself at least an hour to get parked, to get settled in, to get some coffee, some donuts, and just have some time to walk around and check out this place. The views are stunning. And yes, if you didn't already know this is the actual hotel that inspired Stephen King to write The Shining.
Here's Johnny!
Give it up for Jaden, everybody. Pushing the lowest elevation between two different We'll distribute about 40,000 seedlings all over the forest floor, help restart that growth process after fire frost.
All right, so once you get off of Swiftcurrent Lake, you have a quarter-mile walk over to the next lake. But yeah, this boat tour cuts out 2 miles each way, 4 miles round trip. It's a pretty long and challenging hike, so whatever you can do to cut off some of the mileage. So yeah, not only does the boat tour make a more interesting trip, but it also makes a 10-mile hike into a 6-mile hike. You really can't beat that.
Those are avalanche chutes, so a triple divide peak doesn't have a trail.
Thank you.
Come on, yeah, take it easy.
All right, just got to the end of Lake Josephine. About to start our climb up to Grinnell Glacier. Whenever you get off the boat at Lake Josephine, they're gonna give you a green ticket. This is your ticket to get back on the boats to get back to the hotel. And all of the times are posted on the back of your card, so you know what time to get here to catch the last boat back.
It is, we'll call it 11:45.
11:45, gotta be back here by 5:45. We have 6 hours if needed, but we definitely wanna make it back to the boat to cut out the last 2 miles of this hike. About ready to start this hike, let's do it. First viewpoint of Grinnell Lake. Getting high up out of that forest. I think the hottest part is behind us. Down stuffy in the trees where there's no breeze. Now we're getting up high. Starting to feel a little bit more of a breeze. But yeah, views are opening up. It's breathtaking up here. Holy crap, that's pretty. So pretty. Nice climb. Enjoy this section because the hard part is about to come. Yeah, get ready to climb. Last push to get up to the glacier pretty much sucks. Nice and cold. Woo, that is a lot. Yeah. Okay, so without sounding cliche or whatever, this was a big turning point for me. On a recent trip with Jerry, Arizona, I got hypothermia on the Colorado River, and I came across this book, The Wim Hof Method. They call him the Iceman. Anyways, he's a big proponent on the cold plunges, all that stuff. I came home, read the book, started doing it. I've been doing it for about 4.5 months now, and I have to say, I'm digging it, man. I've never had high blood pressure, but my blood pressure has dropped even from what it was before, and my stress level is down tremendously. What are your thoughts? Do you like the whole cold plunge thing? And I'm just curious, what's the coldest swim that you've ever done, and where was it at? Leave it down in the comments. I want to know. Also, click that subscribe button. Yeah, let's get back to it. Oh, that hurt. Awesome though. All right, we are snacked up, hydrated, fully dressed. So let's go check out Grinnell Glacier. Well, I got as close to Grinnell Glacier as I could with the time we had. Looking at the clock, we're gonna be pushing it to get back to that last boat ride across the lake. We're gonna head back down the mountain. Let's go catch this boat. I hope that's not our boat. Got my ticket. Boat's here. It's limited space, so our name is on the list. We're hoping they call our name. I'm hoping we make this boat. Hopefully we're not gonna have to wait for the next boat. We did not make the boat. Yep.
Thanks, guys. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a good one.
Thanks so much.
All right, first one's on this boat. We almost made the other one. So let's go home.
Stay off the stairs so I can see where I'm going. I don't have any tacos on board. I wish that I did. I'm really good at sniffing out good dinner spots, especially after a good long hike.
Somebody's in trouble. They're getting someone got too close. Someone's got too close.
Hikers are on there.
Yeah,
I stood in it. It's cold.
Oh, they're really doing it. I want to give a big thank you to Glacier Park Boat Company. They did an amazing job today. Their staff is incredible. Visit them at glacierparkboats.com and book your trip today. Thanks for watching this. Please click that like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Oh yeah.
All right. So, what am I gonna say here?
Pumpkin.